Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are given that this is an important clue. Each term is found by adding the same number to the previous term. So knowing this help us to take note that we now know A to 12, I'm going to add a common number D. This one also add. To get B, B plus D. To get C, C plus D. To get 33. So this is what is known as the common difference number pattern. So for part A first, right, we do notice, I'm going to focus on this. So notice that in order to get from 12 to 33, I actually add D one time, 2 times, 3 times in order for me to reach 33. So with this, I will then be able to solve for my D, because that is important. I need to know what is that same number or same common difference that we are adding to the next term. So from here, I would then be able to get 3D is equals to 33, going to minus 12 on both sides. And that will give me 21. So finally, I now know my answer. D is equals to 21 divided by 3, 7. Once I know D is 7, I will be able to get my A, B, and C. A is 12 minus 7, 5. B is 12 plus 7, 19. And C is 19 plus 7, 26. And because I know that this is a common difference question, for part B, I'm going to apply this formula. Okay? So I'm going to get some more space here, shift it down, the common difference. My first term. First, I'm going to write out the formula out first. First term is pretty straightforward. It's actually my A, number 5. D, the common difference, we always add 7. So it's 7 and minus 1. And therefore, I will get my answer pretty straightforward. I just want to simplify this. 7n minus 7. So 7n, 5 minus 7 is negative 2. Done. And let's take a look at the last question. Explain why 109 is not a term of this sequence. I am going to tap on my n term now. Okay, my n term is here. So with my n term 7n minus 2, if 109 is in this sequence, then I will be able to find an n that is a whole number for 109. But when I solve this, 109, I will need to add 2 to both sides so that I will get this working. And when I divide 111 by 7, I realize that it is not a whole number. Instead, I will get a mixed number. And that is really important because since n, which is equals to 15, 6 over 7, is not a whole number, Therefore, 109 is not a term in this sequence. N must be a whole number, okay? So this is the keyword. N is not a whole number. With that, we have come to the end of this example here. So if you like this video at any point in time, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as I continue to produce videos for mathematics. Thank you and have a nice day.